Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is 500 plus multi-purpose isometric vector files. Here is just JPG and here is a vector, but these files are protected password with in this app. Sheri iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here subscription for lifetime. Follow me on Facebook, right Sheri and last is Telegram channel, right Sheri official, and subscribe me. I will provide every link on video first here. And now we check isometric. Okay, you see here is 550 files. You can edit in Adobe Illustrator, mostly used for real estate, office management, cargo, club, packing, library, university. And here is main our file. Open in Adobe Illustrator. Open. Click on layer, extract group. You see here. Simply mean we can edit one by one. You see. Okay. Change color white. Depend your own choice. Simply that's mean these files are fully editable now. And wow, here is a office management or laptop table. Here is a server, shop online. Total file is 550. Okay, you can use it in Adobe Illustrator, but password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri and buy now for lifetime. Take care, love you.